Guys, this is a demonstration of the fire alarm system at Bath & Body Works. This is an EST 278, and up here we have a Kid A or EST smoke detector and an Edwards Genesis. Oh, yep, there we go. There are other Genesises over here. I don't see any wall mount ones. And earlier I just saw some outside mounted integrities, which it's been a while since I've seen one. There is one at the rec center in my town. Okay, I do not see any more EST Genesises. No, I think that's an Edwards smoke detector. You can reset this using a key, or it's on the top. That EST Genesis is a Candela strobe. Another EST Genesis. Okay, I do not see any more. I do not see any more EST fire alarm devices. No, I think this Genesis is for Edwards Genesis. Yeah. So I think that is all for today. Yeah, there you go.